relax.
Oh, God. Oh.
Just let it go here. Good. That's it. Let your shoulders relax, just like you do. Oh, yeah. Good. One more here.
Oh, gosh.
Good.
A couple more drops. Okay. Good. Let that relax. Good.
I'm sure.
That's a good one. And
Good boy. Stay like that for me for a minute. There you go.
Good job.
You don't want to laugh or cry, do you?
That a girl. Very good. And then we'll come over here and do this one. Good. Perfect. And just relax. Perfect. This is Mackenzie's very first adjustment, so she doesn't really know what to expect, but that went really well, didn't it?
Yes.
Probably felt great, didn't it?
Oh my gosh, yes.
Okay, wonderful. And then we're gonna go this way as well. That a girl. She learns quick. Relax your head. There we are. Perfect.
Good. Let's go here. Good. Very nice. You okay, buddy?
yeah.
Nervous? Painful? What's the reaction you have right
A little
now?
nervous right
A little nervous. I can see it. Good. Very good. Okay. Just relax right here. That's it. You did it.
I'm just using your head as a slight fulcrum. Tilt your head to the side. More. Keep going. More. More. You heard that big pop, right? Yeah. Okay. You have a little one on this side. It's not as bad. Tilt your head to the side. More. Okay. And all the way out. Just come back with me. Beautiful. Beautiful. And you just relax.
And Eric. And exhale all the way out. And load in.
So I'm gonna get right in here. I'm gonna go like that. And I'm gonna get the other one right there.
Oh, wow.
And then I'm just gonna give it a little bit of traction. We're gonna give it a little stretch.
That's right. See, it's already starting to go. Good. It's already starting to go. His neck is so mobile up here. Begging to go. Jesus Christ. That was nuts. It went a ton. Just let your head come towards me. You're doing great. Good. Just let your body fall onto the table just like that. You're doing great. This side should hurt less than the other side did. Let's take our time. Good. Okay, you did great, kiddo.
Let's have you relax for me. Very good. Okay. Same thing on this side. We got upper cervical restriction here as well, about C2, C3. We're going to adjust through the segment on the left. Relax for me. Very good. Good motion. Very good.
So we're just gently turning her head and then a little bit of a click there. And you may have heard that noise there. Karina, how are you doing? That feel good?
Felt really good.
Felt really good. And oftentimes the person will relate to you that they immediately had an immediate sense of relief. Just tension. They kind of feel a wave of relaxation go through their body. It's a very pleasant experience. Wonderful.
Good.
Wow. Okay. That is new experience. Okay.
New experience,
Yeah,
huh?
Definitely.
Ready for one more?
Yeah.
Good. This way. Wow, this side is tight. Okay. And try to relax, Mike. Good, nice.
Wow.
Was that painful at all?
A little bit, a little bit.
A little bit,
Yeah.
but not too bad, right?
No, no.
Okay. Come right back.